everyone. Welcome to our channel, Classic Chevy Revival. I'm your host, Kevin Hillner, and today we're going to introduce our channel to you and tell you what we're a little bit about. I've been a Tri-5 Chevy enthusiast since about 1982 when I bought my first 57 Chevrolet. It was a two-door sedan with a 350 in it. Front seat wasn't bolted down, and I think I paid like $800, $900 for it. Ran, stopped, started. That's what got me going in this hobby. Anyway, our channel, we're looking to cover basically like 9 different points. We're going to cover things like the Tri-5 restorations, from vintage body panels to engine components. And we'll try to be the source for all those things restoration related. Also, we're going to be talking about performance upgrades, more power, more precision, performance modifications, and those sorts of things. Everything for your Tri-5 Chevy. Also, number 3, accessories. Vintage apparel, car covers, interior accents, that kind of thing. That capture the spirit of the Tri-5 era. So those things are some of the things we're looking to cover, along with car events, classic Chevy car events. Every Tri-5 Chevy deserves its moment in the sun, I believe, and we're going to connect with fellow enthusiasts at classic car shows and auctions and those sorts of events. Also, Tri-5 Chevy collectibles. Beyond the garage, explore a selection of collectibles from model cars to the different vintage memorabilia that's out there. We're going to go over some of that on our channel. Some maintenance tips for our Tri-5 Chevys. You want to keep your classic Chevy running in top shape. We'll have some affiliate products, including manuals, tools, cleaning supplies and things like that. Also, we're going to cover a little bit about Chevy bodywork and paint restoration for your classic Chevy. We'll give you some ideas for, some of the best products and expert services out there for hopefully you can get a flawless finish on your car. I know myself, I painted my car I have now, my 56 Bel Air, and that'll probably be the last car I ever paint. It was a lot more work than I bargained for, but it was cool to learn it, I did it over last winter, so springtime come and the car was ready. I'm not a patina sort of a guy. We're going to cover that in the video as well. To me, patina is just another word for rust. I had a lot of patina on my car, which took me about a month and a half to remove, and then another 2 or 3 months to get it painted and all that. So we're going to cover that in a future episode. Also, we're going to cover a lot of the Chevy historical and restoration guides, so you'll be able to expand your knowledge with some books, ebooks, and some courses dedicated to the history and the restoration of Tri-5 Chevrolets. Also, we're going to do some Chevrolet DIY tutorials. That's for you hands-on guys, and we'll share some affiliate products tailored for the DIY crowd as well, which will include repair guides, videos, parts, and that sort of thing. Also, the Chevy owners clubs and memberships. I belong to a few, as I'm sure a lot of you people do. Years ago, I belonged to the Classic Chevy Club International out of Florida. As a matter of fact, I still probably got, probably 3 or 4, maybe 5 binders of the old Classic Chevy magazines. I had them out in the garage in those Classic Chevy binders. We'll be covering some of the Classic Chevy clubs and the activities that they're up to, like the summertime events and things like that. So we're not just in the hobby of classic cars, we're kind of on a mission to preserve history, and we want to empower the Tri-5 enthusiasts to continue with your journey on these cars, if you're restoring them or if you're just enjoying them and driving them on those nice days. Like I said, since 1982, I've kind of fell in love with the classic Chevys and their legacy. I want to keep that up through my YouTube channel. So let's just keep in the spirit of Tri-5 Chevys and keep them rolling for for generations to come. So if you would, subscribe and hit that bell icon, and let's let the adventure begin. So once again, my name is Kevin Hillner, and this is Classic Chevy Revival. We'll talk to you on the next episode.